Hi beautiful people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Yekum, and you know what time is it, right? It's the time for us to do some beautiful hairstyle. So guys, today we're going to be doing the Bantu knot, and it's very easy, anybody can do it. So I'll just go ahead and start preparing my hair for the Bantu knot. As you can see, I'm brushing it out, brushing it out, brushing it out. So when I've brushed it out, the next thing I'll be doing is I'll just try to section the hair. First I'll section it into two parts, then I'll walk from the front, and then later I move to the back part of my hair. So I just I'm trying to make it as neat as possible, but it's not easy. But I'm trying so much to make it perfect, but it cannot be perfect, so I do what I can do. So when I section my hair into two parts, I just hold the back part away so that I can start working on the front. So what I do in the front, the first thing I do, I section a small portion of the hair from the hair on both parts. Yes, you can see I'm trying to section a smaller piece. I'm trying to section a smaller piece from the rest of the hair before I start working the measure piece for the Bantu knot. So this piece I'll just do traditional braids on the piece. I'll do it on two sides, on both sides. So that's what I'm doing right now. I just twist it a little bit so that I can work with it later. So I do the same thing on the other side before I start moving to do the actual parts in the front part of my hair. So I'm trying to do a triangle. I don't know, I just try to get the parts as a triangle. That's what I try to do. So in the front I'll be making 5 parts before I go to the back. So I just when I part the hair, I just twist it a little bit so that I keep on working on the next thing. So that's just what I'm going to be doing for the front part, and then when I'm done with the front part, I'll go to the back part as well. So I did everything, the front and the back. I was eating, I was so hungry. So when I'm done parting the hair in smaller sections, that's where I go in and start to apply my hair gel. I'm using this hair and wax. This is what I always use. So I'll try to always leave the products down in the description box, that if you really want to purchase it, you can easily get it through the link. So when I apply a generous amount on each section, I brush it out to make it neat and everything, so that everything should be well laid. And then I put it in a twist, and then I go to the next part. I apply the hair gel, and then I use a rubber band and I put everything together, and that's just what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the hair. So just keep on watching. But please, if you haven't yet liked the video, just make sure you give it a like, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up as well. And I'll be very happy to see your comments so that I should know that you're watching. As you can see, I'm almost done. I think this is going to be one of the last. I don't know if it's the last, but I just brush it. That's just what I'm doing with all the other sections. Just pat it, put it in a little twist, and then I keep going. I'm done with putting the gel in every hair. This is the extension I'll be using. I just sectioned it into smaller parts so it'll be easier for me to work with. So what I do, I just unravel it, and then I start braiding it on my natural hair. Then I start to do the Bantu knot. So the bantu knot is really easy. This is the first time I'm trying it and it came out beautifully, so I am so proud of myself. You can do it. Maybe if you have an event, maybe a photo shoot, maybe a party, you just want something really quick and easy yet elegant. Trust me, you can do this hairstyle by yourself, or maybe your sister or whoever. Anybody can do it. It's very easy. Very easy. So as you can see, I'm just trying to attach everything. I just put the rest of the hair away so it's not going to disturb me as I work. And yeah, so I just try to put it like, just attach it in any way. You can put it in any way. You can use crochet, but I decided to use this way. Yeah, as you can see, I was trying to place my hand. I was looking for the most convenient way until I finally found one. And yeah, I was still struggling, and finally I got what I wanted. So I just braid it down with my real hair, and I don't braid it right down. Like, I just braid until when I feel like it's secure, and then I start to twist. But you need to try to hide your natural hair with the braiding hair, otherwise it's going to be popping out and it's not going to look so nice. So you can just conceal it with your, you can just conceal the extension with your natural hair, so that it's going to really look uniform. So I just wrap, and I start making something like a pigtail, wrapping. I wrap. When I twist, I wrap. I twist, I wrap. Yeah, that's just all I'm going to be doing. So you see the results. Oh my god, it's coming true. You'll see that. That's my first bantu knot, and I love how it turns out, and I'm so proud of myself. See, it's beautiful, and I'm loving it, and I'm enjoying it, and I'm telling you all that it's really good. So I just continue to do the same thing over and over throughout the whole head, and just keep on watching, and then we will see what it turns out to be. So as I'm saying, this hairstyle is very easy yet so beautiful, and I just can't get enough of it. So keep on watching, guys, and enjoy. I'm almost done, and it's left only with one at the back. I just said let me try to show you how I did it at the back. I don't know, I hope it's clear enough. You can see what I was doing at the back. So it's just the same thing. Braid the hair up to when it's secure enough, and then you wrap and twist and wrap and twist and wrap, and that's it, guys. Something happened. I actually lost the footage from the last footage when I was done with the hair. So I don't know, but I tried to take it with my phone, a selfie, so I don't know if that will do. So when I'm done, I just do the traditional braids on both sides, and then I dip it in water, and then I go do my makeup, where I lost my footage, but still I have these pictures that I took using my mobile phone. I hope it helps as well. So guys, that's basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're going to be trying, I would really love to see the colors that you're going to try it out. And you know, I'm just feeling like an African princess right now, you know. So this is me after I did my makeup, and I took the pictures with my phone. I was really feeling it, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and we will see next time, guys. Thank you so much and bye bye.